Hi guys and welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's doing well and I've got a good one for you guys today. Well, I'm exploring an absolutely beautiful river with so many lovely swims and I'm doing it on my lunch sessions, so hopefully we can get a few perch in the short time that I have. Without me blabbering on too much, I'll start rolling these clips. I've missed 2 bites from fish, it's got to be perch. Oh, I should have had my net there really. Wow, that is one of the best perch I've caught from this bit of river for a while. First perch this season from this bit of river. Right, here you go guys. Here you go, close all. That's where you hold him in the net. Check him out guys. What a lovely fish that is. It's a lovely perch. Let's get him back. That was very ungraceful. Oh, that was a fish. Nice. Here you go guys. He's a really power one. Let's get him back. That's a fish. I don't know what it was. It's a pike. So go for it. That's a funny bite. I'm just going to return it quickly. He's just righting himself. It was a little pike. Oh! Did you see that pike?
Yeah, I know it.
I pulled it up and saw him go for it, so I thought, oh, I'll drop it on him. Oh, funny, isn't it? Those little pike are so fucking aggressive.
I had one at home a while ago on that first platform there, about the same size, but he was leaping out of the water. There was a whining.
Oh,
You were something
Yes.
out of the water. Same one again.
That's a perch.
That's a big, that is. Oh yeah. That's a proper chunky perch, that one. Nice one.
There you go.
I see the size of it, I thought it was going to be a pike again.
So did I. It's not bad for my efforts though. There you go, guys. Whee!
That's alright, isn't it?
It's a good catch. It's a lovely fish.
Right.
Lovely fish. Get back. There's a few nice ones in here. Oh, come on, get out. He can't be alone, that perch, can he? Oh. That's for pike. Huh?
You're doing alright for the little cucumbers, isn't it?
Oh, right, maybe shouldn't have been a lift actually. It's a bit bigger. Back you go. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section as well what you guys thought. And of course, if you're new around here, subscribe. I do videos twice a week at the moment. Although when it cools down, it'll be one a week. But yeah, I'll catch you guys next time in the next installment.